You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Welcome to Vocal Technologist, where we try to cut through all the information and get straight to the insights.
Glad to be diving in.
Today, we're exploring the world of product design. It's such a dynamic field, always pushing boundaries, changing how we interact with tech.
Absolutely.
So our mission today really is to unpack the latest stuff, tools, trends, and the bigger picture.
Yeah.
Design's strategic role in business.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get into it.
Yeah, and what's really fascinating, I think, is how the idea of a design tool itself is just exploding. It's not just about, pixels anymore.
No, it's way beyond that.
It's about these intelligent helpers that are fundamentally changing what designers can even do.
Couldn't agree more. And, well, you can't talk design innovation right now without talking about AI.
Yeah. Oh, definitely not.
Like Figma, for example. They just rolled out some really impressive updates. New pencil and brush tools. You can sketch, paint, customize strokes right there in the design file.
Which is pretty neat.
But here's where it gets really interesting, I think. You can make custom brushes from your own vector layers. That's huge.
Mm-hmm.
Plus, their AI image editing is getting smarter. Batch processing, different model options. If you've ever had to jump between like 5 different apps for custom assets, this is a massive workflow improvement.
Exactly. A real time saver. And then sort of complementing that, you've got Vercel launching AI elements.
Yes, the open source library.
Right. Customizable React components. Think pre-built bits like message threads, input boxes, that kind of thing. All designed to work smoothly with their AI SDK that powers the intelligence behind them.
So it helps developers build those AI interfaces much faster.
Yeah, it really streamlines creating those, sophisticated user experiences.
Okay, so with all these powerful new tools emerging,
Mm-hmm.
what's the biggest shift you're seeing in the designer's role? Because it really feels like AI is turning designers into something like, well, independent design engineers.
That's a good way to put it.
You can build functional prototypes now without writing, a single line of code.
Yeah.
And that's not just about being faster, is it? It feels like it's democratizing the whole building process. Huge productivity gains,
Right.
potentially, and just unleashing creativity. For you listening, if you want to test an idea fast, this is... oh, it's big.
It absolutely is. I mean, I remember struggling for ages just to mock up something that worked. Now, with some of these tools, it feels almost like, I don't know, magic.
Right.
We're seeing it with things like the Rosebud AI game generator. You type text, it spits out a mobile game. Crazy.
Wow.
Or Supercraft, you sketch something, AI makes these high-quality 2D and 3D renders.
That's wild.
It's just concept to tangible output super fast.
That speed is incredible, from custom brushes to entire AI-generated products.
Mm-hmm.
But, this rapid enablement, it actually makes something else even more critical, doesn't it?
What's that?
If the tools handle more of the doing, then design's real value isn't just making things look nice anymore.
Beyond the aesthetics.
Exactly. It's about strategic impact, business results. Which makes me think about how great products often come from these small, focused teams.
Mm-hmm. The autonomous specialist teams.
Yeah. High talent density, quick decisions, lots of autonomy. They seem to innovate faster than big groups who maybe end up just refining existing stuff. Small teams often create the breakthroughs.
That's a really key point. And it brings up the question, okay, how do we measure design's impact in these environments?
Especially if they're leaner.
Right. The old metrics might not cut it.
Well, there's this interesting new approach to auditing design system usage. Instead of just counting components, you visually highlight them on web pages.
How does that work? Like a browser extension or something?
Yeah, exactly. Or automated testing. Imagine seeing exactly where design system elements are used visually. It lets non-technical people do audits, helps justify costs. You see patterns more easily. It's tangible proof of adoption.
That makes so much sense. Showing, not just telling.
Precisely. And for you trying to prove design's worth, that visual evidence could be a game changer. Yeah, absolutely. And that ties right into connecting design directly to business value, which is crucial.
Holy grail, really.
Designers succeed when they can link their decisions to actual business outcomes. Maybe start small, get some impactful wins, build credibility.
Break down big projects.
Yeah, break them down. Link design changes directly to shifts in how users behave. And then this is key. Translate that impact into metrics the business understands.
You have to speak their language.
Exactly. Show design isn't just a cost center. It's an investment driving results.
And taking that even deeper, the ultimate impact often comes from understanding, well, human behavior itself.
Ah, behavioral design.
Right. It combines cognitive psychology, behavioral economics, UX, all to influence behavior in ideally natural, non-manipulative ways.
Helping users make better decisions faster.
Yeah, by understanding our brain's shortcuts, system one versus the slower system two thinking, using things like ethical nudges to guide people. But ethics are paramount there.
Absolutely. Okay, so let's sort of wrap this up. We've covered a lot. The incredible pace of AI and tools like Figma and Vercel, designers becoming these independent engineers.
And the shift towards strategy, small teams, better ways to measure impact like visual audits, connecting design to business value.
And even understanding human behavior through behavioral design.
So in this landscape that's changing so fast with AI doing more execution, what's the ultimate currency for designers now? What's really valuable?
That's a great question. How do we balance using all this amazing tech with being ethical, responsible, and bringing that uniquely human creativity?
Definitely something to mull over.
Something for you to ponder as you go about your day. Thank you for joining us on Vocal Technologists. Hope this gave you some fresh perspectives to chew on for the future of design.
Spoken Tech for your ears.